another question in the chat. Someone was saying, in my opinion, the issue might not be only based on rationality. I think the main issue is the feeling of cultural inferiority and lack of confidence Muslims have in their heritage. How can this be fixed?
I mean, let's look at the Philadelphia model. We talked about how that was already fixed because culture eats rationality for breakfast.
Yes.
An attitude, a good attitude, or like if you go to Philadelphia and see the Muslim communities there, and there's lots of problems there, yes, but these people are, less likely to apostate than the liberals in California, the Indian liberals or the subcontinental, because it's not just because of their socioeconomic standing, but it's also because of their attitude. They don't mind, like I said, proverbially putting the middle finger to the dominant culture and to the West in general. So I haven't got a problem with that. But if the attitude is a colonized one, if you believe that, well, these guys are better than us, look at them. It's عقدة نقصية. It's a
inferiority complex.
Inferiority complex, right? And so if you have that, then you're going to be in trouble. That's why it's important to be around people who are confident about their religion. Sometimes, just showing confidence in your religion sometimes is more important than any other rational argument or any rational argument. Honestly, if you see a whole community of people showing like real confidence in their religion, it gives a real communal boost to the project. So absolutely, I think that for sure the attitude is an important thing as well, not just the rational arguments.
Yes. Do you think also the trying to have more connection with the tradition, reading books of the scholars, of the medieval scholars, Ibn al-Qayyim, or like engaging with the tradition can help overcome this feeling of inferiority?
Yeah, absolutely. Like that show, I don't know what's it called, Ertugrul. I don't know what it's called, but that apparently has reinvigorated like Turkish community. I have personally not watched this because it's just addictive and a waste of time for me anyway.
Yeah.
But I haven't seen even one single episode, and nor do I plan to do that. But the point being made is, at least it's given people that kind of cultural feeling of confidence.
Yes.
That's what's required. It's confidence. It's very important here.
Yes.